Lenovo 130S-11IGM 11.6 inches HD laptop. Review deal discount unboxing setup. The case is a bit flexible but not appearing to be brittle or easily cracked. Just feels a bit inadequate. Boot time is acceptable, but not the quick boot time I'd expected with eMMC. About 2 solid minutes. Once booted, reading journals is quite fast. Screen quality is very good. The 60GB eMMC comes with about 45GB available. Upon setup, it is crucial one reads each item as presented. Both Microsoft and Lenovo have desires for a great deal of personal information that the user must opt out of. It is well presented and honestly displayed. Easy to uncheck the boxes. There is a slot for a microSD card. My 32GB microSD will provide ample storage for my travel uses. The biggest downside is the Microsoft Windows 10 mode. This is Microsoft's attempt to emulate the marketing gimmick Apple employs. Lock the user out of anything except Apple apps. Fortunately, Microsoft offers the user the ability to switch off the S mode, thereby allowing the computer to load non-Microsoft programs. After a few hours struggling with the S mode, I switched it off and was then able to set up the computer to meet my needs. I am well pleased with this computer. It is lightweight, easy to manage. The battery life is great. I love the feel and ease of keyboard. Had no problem connecting mouse. This was a perfect buy for me. Due to having arthritic hands, I did not want anything too heavy. This is great. Would buy another one in the future. 11.6-inch display, typical 1366 by 768 HD resolution. Energy-efficient LED backlight. Intel Celeron processor N4000 entry-level dual-core processor for general email, internet and productivity tasks. 4GB system memory for basic multitasking. 64GB eMMC flash memory, Intel UHD Graphics 600, HDMI output, built-in media reader, does not include a built-in DVD/CD drive, Windows 10 in S mode, Office 365 personal 1-year subscription included, weighs 2.54 pounds and measures 0.7 inches thin, color, mineral gray. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box.